Hello guys, welcome to Accra Travel Vlogs here on AduKash Official. So for those of you who want to discover Accra into details, I think this video is for you. This is exploring certain part of the capital, Accra. I'm traveling from around the Nima roundabout area and I'm heading all the way from here to Shiashi and back, okay? And I took my time in this video to show you some of the beautiful and important places on the streets of Accra, as I showed you into details how the place looks like on a day, okay? So if you really want to explore Accra, I think you have to take your time and know more in this video as we explored some of the important areas here in Accra, some nice buildings, nice road, how the street looks like, and everything that you need to know is in this video. So come with me as we travel Accra together, and not just that, but we travel to discover how the street of Accra looks like, and I know you will love it, okay? So I would urge you to please subscribe to the channel. I would want you to like the video, basically share for others who are also interested in a video like this to have an opportunity to also have a view of how Accra looks like, okay? So let's watch the video to explore some of these areas as we travel. Just look at this building, very beautiful, okay? As we travel along the street of Accra. Accra is such a beautiful place, and anyone who has ever been in here really likes it. It's the capital of Ghana here in West Africa, and you definitely have to be here to know or to explore this place. It's a peaceful country, a center of the world, and you definitely have to visit here one day, okay? This is the street of Accra, so let's do this together. Like, share, subscribe. Let's explore. So we are exploring this part as we travel to the Shiashi area, and when we are coming back, we explore the other side, okay? So this is the a side view. The other side view will be when we are returning, all right? And you will definitely love it. I know you love it already, so please, why not like it, share, and subscribe, okay? Let's enjoy the video. Check this area. Yeah, so this is Accra, guys. Like the video, share, and subscribe. Keep watching, guys.